I have made the project using Tailwind CSS, React, and Material UI, and also somewhere I have used the SX prop since every styling was not possible with Tailwind CSS, like icon button was not getting affected. So this is created using also components app bar of the Material UI. Now the movies page is the default page. If I move to a favorites page, now I have not added any movies to my favorite section. So let me add, like let's say this movie I add, then Dark Knight. So I added Shashank and Dark Knight, these two movies added in the favorite section. If I move the Shashank, here see the color changed from black to red to black. Again say if I add Godfather and remove Godfather added to the added at the bottom because I added it last. Now I removed Godfather, then color again changed from red to black. Okay, so also the movies are sorted from highest rating to the lowest rating. The movies data I'm I've kept in my store. The movies reducer I have, this is the movies slice. Here I am exporting movie slice dot reducer. This is the as movies reducer. Now using async thunk, I'm fetching the data of if from the API. This is the API URL. API URL is taken from env file. This is the env file. This is the API link. Again, I've in the movie slice. This is the initial state. I have two arrays I have maintained: movies array and favorite movies array, and also a status and error. Now uh, I have two reducers: add favorite movie and remove favorite movie. So if anyone adds to the favorite movies, like I added, and it removes from favorite movies array. Now this status is loading. If a movie is pending, then if fetch movie pending promise is returned, promise is pending, then if promise is fulfilled, then the status is succeeded, and movies array will get the data from your API, and if it promise is rejected, then status is failed. Now if I move to the header component, let's say, header component, this is the code. Is I am using the use state to highlight the tabs. This is a handle tab change function. This is a render tabs change function. Now this is due to this nav link, it is getting highlighted. Now since the header is responsive, so in the small devices we will able to see drawer tabs. By clicking on the drawer, we will be able to select the tabs. Now for that also I have maintained straight. Okay. Is this drawer open and set is drawer open. Okay. So toggle drawer function, it is setting the value of is drawer open. Now I have a media query. Actually it is if max width is 600 pixel, then it is a mobile device, we can say. So it's mobile, and now if it is mobile, then another code for that. So drawer is opening. Drawer is from material UI. This is the code. Now I'm inside the movies component. So I'm fetching the status, the favorite movies array and the movies array from store. Now inside the show movies array, I'm storing the movie item and also a state that whether it is favorite or whether it is selected as favorite or not. So now if the love button or the favorite button is clicked, now I'll see that my show movies array. I'll just take the item from my show movies array, and if it was favorite, then I will just remove from favorite array, and if it was not, I will just add to the favorite array. That is just toggling. If you click on love, it is added to favorite array, and if you again click on love, the button changes to black, and then it is removed from favorite array. Okay, now if the status is failed, navigate to error pages if the promise is not fulfilled. Okay, there is an error component I have created. Now if status is loading, then a circular progress. This is a loading spinner you will be able to see. Now movies are sorted before showing from high setting to lowest. This is the movie item. Now let me move to the header, the favorites page. So one thing to say that I am taking the handle favorite. I am calling the handle favorite from movie item. Okay, and this is toggling the buttons. Also, in case of favorites page, in case of favorite page, I have only option to remove from the favorites array. So I am calling this function remove from favorites, and from the movies page we can do both, remove and add to favorites array, and from favorites add favorites page we can do only one thing, that is we can only remove from favorites. So this is the movies page. Here also the loading and status. Here if favorite movies length is 0, then we saw that no favorite movie is found. Here also, let's see the remove from favorite function. Remove from favorites, we have sent the movie ID, then dispatch. As the dispatch is done, the state is the re-render is done, and so we are able to see the latest outcome. This is the movie items page. Now one thing, that if the current path is favorite, okay, we will able to see a delete icon. That is in favorite page we have delete icon. In a movies page we have the favorite icon, that is the love icon. This is a movie item. From the movie item, this is the movie item. This is the movie item component. This is the movie item component. This component is reused in the movies page and favorites page. In the favorites page, this icon changes to red. It changes to the delete icon. So in the Postman, I can get data using that API. Like I have selected get request, then I am fetching data. So it is a get request. Actually, this is the URL. So this is the data I used. Okay, one thing, if we click on the card, we will move to the IMDb URL. Now if we click on the link, we will also move to the IMDb URL. Now we are not moving twice, only once. So I have used event.stop propagation, so that if we click on the URL, then again also card is clicked, so event is not propagated. So there are 2 times the link will not be open. Also in case of this button, if I click now, the event is not propagated, so the card is not clicked and we are not moving to the IMDb URL. Here I have used event.stop propagation for the link IMDb URL. Also for the love button, I have used event.stop propagation. This is the mobile view. I have drawer to navigate to the tabs, favorite tabs, movies tab. If you add 2 movies, then in the favorite tabs you are able to see 2 movies, movies tab.